Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. My name is Julie Oliverius. And are you feeling a little frumpy today, or have you on other days? And maybe you just don't really feel like doing a whole lot. That's it's kind of been my attitude today. I've been working from home and really just wanted to stay focused on that and have very minimal interruptions. And I don't know, just feeling a little blah today. And so I thought that for today's tutorial, it wouldn't be so much about a makeup application technique, but maybe a couple ideas that you can use next time you're feeling a little frumpy. So the first thing that kind of helps me kind of brighten my mood is just to put on makeup. Whether it's just a simple look or a full-blown look, putting on makeup just helps me get that little boost of confidence, right? So it helps me just feel a little bit better. Another thing that I like to do is to rock out a bright eyeliner color. So what I did today, I'll show you how easy it is to apply. I went with this really pretty electric blue color. You don't have to use a liquid eyeliner. This particular one is a liquid, but you could also use a pencil eyeliner. You could use a lip liner on your eye to really just create a totally new look and something just totally out of the box. So that would be a lot of fun to do that. And so what I'm going to do is, because I haven't put the eyeliner on this side, I'm going to show you just real quick how easy this liquid eyeliner is to use, and kind of show you that, actually I want another mirror, but just to kind of show you guys that, one, liquid eyeliner doesn't have to be scary. Neither do bright colors for your eyeliner. But this is just one little thing that I like to do. It helps me feel a little sassy, I guess, is to just wear a really bright eyeliner color. So if you're just hopping on, what I was saying is if you don't have like a bright eyeliner color, you could certainly use eyeshadow. Get a liner brush and get it damp and run that through some of your eyeshadow and create your own eyeliner color, because I know that bright colors aren't something that most people keep on hand for regular everyday use or kind of special occasion. I bought this color because I thought it was pretty awesome, and it is, but it's not one that I wear every day. But when I'm feeling a little frumpy, I like to wear it because it makes me feel bright and it's fun. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking this all the way. So notice that when I got to the top here, instead of following it down along my lash line, I started just taking it straight out. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a very slight wing like I did on this other side. You just line that up with your lower lash line. So act like you're extending that lower lash line up, and that really will help you create an even wing on both sides. So then what I do is I just go back in and fill that in. See, just real simple. Okay. Then the next thing I do to kind of make myself feel good, of course I'm going to finish this off with some mascara, so I'll do that in a minute, and I'll post the after looks for you guys, but is to wear a bright lipstick color. And I don't know, I think today I'm feeling kind of like maybe a coral color. It's springy, it's 81 degrees outside right now. Blue, a contrasting color to blue is orange. And since this is such a bright color, I've got like these two different coral colors. Oops, I wonder if that'll focus on them. There we go. I've got these two different coral colors, but then I've got this orange color. I'm not sure I'm feeling that today. But this one's a little more orangey versus this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one. What's this one? Okay, let's see this one here. We're gonna go for a nice kind of a coral color. So that's one recommendation I would have, is if you've got a really bright eyeliner color, choose a contrasting color. So if you did purple eyeliner, go with red lipstick, lip gloss, whatever, do a red. If you go with a green eyeliner, go with a pink color for your lips. And then blue, like I said, the contrast is orange shades. It's hard to talk and do this. So there, that's today's look. That's just a couple little thoughts for kind of brightening your attitudes, brighten your makeup, okay? So if you have questions or you want me to send you the blog post where I talk about the contrasting colors so you guys know what I'm talking about, just drop a comment below and let me know. I'll be happy to message it over to you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my mascara to this eye, and I'll take some after photos. And those are some simple tips from me to you for brightening your attitude, brighten your makeup. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.